Hi there, Bob with Simplex-IT. And if you are the champion for your organization in terms of making sure that cybersecurity training is treated seriously, and you've recently signed up with Simplex-IT to be your IT partner on some level, either from a managed or co-managed service, this video is for you. This is essentially a brief introduction to the administrative portal for the cybersecurity training and also a simulated phishing attack service that we're using together. And here's the catch. You actually going to have the responsibility to make sure that your employees take the training and take this seriously, because we don't have a silver bullet for that. And I wish we did. I really do. So you should have already received credentials in order to get to this portal. So I'm going to assume you've been able to log on, and you may see this stuff and you go, wow, what do I do? And the answer is not much. So with one exception. So I'm going to go through these center points real quickly, because for the most part, you don't have to do anything. We've already set it up for you. So we've got personalization. That's where we handle the logo, the company name, your logo. Email settings to make sure that the emails get sent properly, because we are going to be sending emails to people to make sure that they see the links to their training and the like. And then configure the welcome emails, which they're going to be getting as well, so that they know that this is coming. And then user management, a list of all of the users. And then finally, the campaigns that actually go into the training and then the simulated phishing attacks. We've set these up for you already. So for all purposes, you don't have to do anything. What should happen is you should have been told already that the first lesson for the training is going to go out probably within the next week or so. So that all of your employees are going to get an email containing a link to the training that they're supposed to get started with. The only thing we need from you, but we do need it, is we need you to send out an email that essentially tells people that, hey, this is coming and it's a legit email, because, most stuff we see is spam. So this is a sample email that I sent out to all our employees here at Simplex-IT. And all it's doing is saying, hey, you're going to soon see an email from a company named Phin Security, and we point out the email address, and we're just saying, take it seriously, because it's a legit email. We would like you to send that out as soon as possible, because we want to make sure that your email goes out before our email, which is a welcome email, goes out. And the welcome email basically looks something along the lines like this. And again, your logo, but it's going to say, welcome to security awareness training. So all of your employees are going to get this, and then sometime afterwards, and you should have already received the scheduling, they'll start getting their lessons. And usually we do it one lesson a month. And the thing is, you can track whether or not the employees are taking it, which ones are actually paying attention to the training and which ones aren't. And we'll also set up automatically the simulated phishing attacks. And again, you'll be able to see who's actually falling for these ruses and who isn't. And honestly, often the people who fall for it are the ones that aren't taking the training. Now, you may have security reasons or insurance reasons. You may have other compelling reasons, but the bottom line is this is a good idea for your employees to all become smarter on cybersecurity. So bottom line, send out that welcome email and tell people, hey, this is going to be coming. We've sent you the recommended text that we use anyway. Send that out to all employees. And then we'll do a separate video where we'll talk about tracking the training and also tracking the simulated phishing attacks. Other than that, we'll take care of this for you. Got any questions? As always, Simplex-IT, service@simplex-it.com. And even if you're not a Simplex-IT client, but you're using Phin, because it is a great product. Hope this helped.